Your father died protecting this city.
Freeze, Jack! Halt!
He taught you to follow your conscience in an often cruel world.
What happened?
Worst day in 18 years.
How many cops?
8.
Why were they here?
They responded to a robbery.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer down!
Automatic weapons, 2 shooters. They have training.
How old were you when your father's captain came? I asked for you for a reason.
I will find out.
We just killed cops. You need to run.
We gotta move fast. Cars not ours, plates are stolen.
If we don't catch these guys in the next 3 or 4 hours, they vanish. How you gonna do this? Close the island. There are 21 bridges in and out of Manhattan. Shut them down. 3 rivers, close them. 4 tunnels, block them. Stop every train and loop the subways. Then, we flood the island with blue.
Mask on, Scar. Get mask on.
None of this makes sense. The bid was for 30 pure. We walked into 300.
Mask on, yeah. Get mask on.
They'll have to open Manhattan by morning. 8 dead policemen is one thing, but the stock market losing billions of dollars is quite another.
Rob the bank. We gon' rob the game.
This whole thing is filthy.
You know how mean you gotta be to move that kind of way?
Oh my God.
What is going on here?
I just need the truth, that's all.
They told me you were Fearless, the guy who kills cop killers. Sees his dad in every cop who dies.
Mask on, get mask on.
Nobody approach him. He's mine. Police, out of the way. Move.
They're not gonna escape this island.
You're the only cop tonight who speaks first and shoots second.
I will find out why tonight happened.
Rep the set, yeah. Gotta rep the set. Dang.